Welcome back, my people. Our social media sansan don't put leg for poto because yesterday court asked Festus Keyamo to pay 10 million fine for abusing court process. So 5 million is for Atiku Abubakar and another 5 million is for ICPC. According to the news, Justice James said that Keyamo acted like an errand boy, that it was unheard for that a citizen could give security agencies 72 hours to investigate and prosecute an alleged offense. So for this reason, Atiku Abubakar have advised Festus Keyamo to trash his law degree and face his calling, which is a social media influencer. So this is so hilarious, and there have been a lot of reaction from people. And this one is from Mike Mictom. He said, Festus is just a charge and bail lawyer who, through rascality and insulting of others, earned him a junior minister, which he castigated afterwards. A nobody who benefited from the corrupt regime of Buhari, who was like a bus driver that has no conductor. And this person said, I have always said this, that Keyamo is a sham when it comes to law. I am super sure that he bought his first degree, his call to bar, and the same title he carries about. A very dull man. So my people, like, there's a lot of reactions from people. Just as Atiku Abubakar said that he is a social media influencer, that is his calling, that he's going and face it and trash his law degree. So before we go ahead and watch this video from our Rise team and hear what they have to say about the whole matter, if today is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it as well. Leave your thought in the comment section because I would love to hear your opinion as well. So guys, let's go ahead and watch the rest of the video.
The Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday awarded a 10 million naira fine against Festus Keyamo for filing a frivolous suit against the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar. Keyamo had sought an order compelling the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, the ICPC, and the Code of Conduct Bureau to probe and prosecute Atiku within 72 hours on the grounds of a claim by one of Atiku's aides, Michael Achimugu, who in a viral recording alleged that when Atiku was vice president between 1999 and 2007, he conspired with ex-president Olusegun Obasanjo to rip off the country using what he termed special purpose vehicles in delivering the judgment. The judge said Keyamo did not give a reasonable time for the statutory bodies to act before filing the suit, and as such, filed the suit in bad faith. Omotosho, who's the judge, awarded 5 million naira fine each in favor of Abubakar and the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, making it 10 million naira. He described the suit as frivolous, vexatious, and an abuse of court process. This is your story, Dr. Abati.
I think it's a very serious indictment of Festus Keyamo, former Minister of Labour and Employment. Every lawyer is taught that, look, you are supposed to be an officer in the temple of justice. So no matter what the expectations of a client may be, when you go to court, you do so as an officer preserving the integrity, the dignity of the hallowed premises of the court. But in this particular case, the Justice James Omotosho pointedly told Keyamo that the suit you have brought here is frivolous, is vexatious, is an abuse of court processes. In other words, he was accusing Festus Keyamo of wasting the time of the court and also abusing his office as minister, as he then was, of labor and employment. And at that time, even the public raised the point. Now, the judge went further to say, look, what is your local standing in this matter? Michael Achimugu did a video, and then on the basis of mere hearsay, it's called hearsay, busybody intervention, meddlesomeness, playing politics, you now said, oh, ICPC, Code of Conduct Bureau, EFCC, I'm giving you 72 hours.
Ultimate.
So the question is raised, who are you to give the investigating agencies a 72-hour ultimatum? By their enabling establishment acts, and I'm sure Keyamo himself knows that, these agencies, they act on the basis of their own discretion. They do their investigations as they choose. And the judge raised the point, what gives you the confidence that what you are even asking about corruption, money laundering issues can be investigated within 72 hours. Okay, as a citizen, you have the right, citizen action, to raise petition, to report people, to try to ensure good order in the society. But you now went beyond that without even getting a response. You filed a suit in court. So it was in that context that the judge said, look, this is frivolous and vexatious, and it cannot stand, under the rules. And the judge, I think, was even very lenient. He fined him 10 million, and then added the caveat that this 10 million should be paid 10% per annum to the parties concerned. What is the 10% of 5 million, 10% of 5 million until the money is liquidated? If the judge wanted to be strict, he could easily have accepted the respondent's request for 30 million fine, and he could have said, you pay it now.
But isn't this quite unfortunate?
But the point of law is not about the quantum of punishment. It's about the gravamen of the ruling of the court.
I was going to ask, isn't it quite unfortunate that Festus Keyamo, a lawyer, should know that 72 hours is not enough for an investigation?
Well,
how did that happen? I wanted to know, because for me, I feel like this could have been a real investigation. I think that the matter was just thrown out, basically, because, why does this keep happening here in Nigeria?
No, the court has taken a decision. So we stay by the decision of the court. It's not for us here to constitute another court and begin to question.
No, I'm just wondering, this is the question.
And begin to question
this is the question out there.
Competence. But what the NBA, the relevant bodies have said is that lawyers are part of the problem in this country. People take all kinds of frivolous cases to court just to go and say, me lord, and to make their clients happy. But it's a waste of the court's time. So it's for the judiciary, it's for the bench to remain proactive and to know when a particular case brought before the bench is frivolous, and to throw it out immediately, either for lack of merit or for abuse of
court process.
However, in this particular case, we're told that Keyamo SAN wants to go on appeal. Well, let us see what will happen when it goes to the Court of Appeal. But perhaps the matter will have been rendered academic.
So, my people, I hope you guys had everything they said here. To be honest, I love what just happened to this man called the Festus Keyamo. Like, this one is going to teach him a lesson. Because almost every time he'll come out and say that he have ordered DSS to go and arrest this person, to go and arrest this one, as if he's the one controlling the, security agencies in Nigeria. So, this one will definitely teach him a lesson. So my people, I say make I bring this update to you guys. I hope you really enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I will see you guys in my next update. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.